click start button, then setting, then scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, scroll down, Windows App Store to run, click to run, and then wait few minutes to clear what's the issues. Now I am giving you second solutions, some command to repair your Windows files. Click to start button, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then yes. So guys, this is cmd and this is that command to copy and paste and then enter some starting percentage. So one by one there are 4 command to enter your cmd. It is very easy. And then now I am giving you third solutions. Then guys, again click to start button, go to setting, then app and features, scroll down, showing all app, Microsoft Store, click three dot and then click to advance. Then scroll down, firstly click to reset, and then click to repair. Okay, and then guys, one more thing, you disable your antivirus for sometimes when do your work and then again enable. Okay, actually your antivirus is blocking some update file, your software's file, that's why I'm facing the issues. So you can block, otherwise you uninstall when do your finish your work and then again install, and otherwise again enable. Okay, thank you for guys, you're watching. Have any issues, so please comment me, I will support you, and my WhatsApp number is available on the channel banner. Bye bye, take care.